Congratulations, Miss Mohammad Iksan bin Sidek.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Iksan and welcome to my lovely home. It was done by Hafiz from Interior Times. The theme of my home is luxurious minimalist. Me and my wife, we got inspiration and ideas from social media and all that. For me personally, is the living room, as I spend most of my time here with my gaming consoles, watching TV and all. ID Hafiz has been very helpful, very communicative and able to translate our ideas from paper to reality, I would say. Okay, I'll be giving it all to my wife as she is the CFO at home. I'm guessing she will do it for groceries and all. My advice will be try to get as many quotations if possible. You can go to platforms such as Renopedia, whereby they house a lot of ID companies. Then from there, you see and compare which one you like. Thank you Renopedia for this lucky draw event, and to find out more, please visit renopedia.sg. Thank you Renopedia!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.